Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the Depop app signed in and the exact listing open. That's essential. Once you have the listing on screen, tap the share icon at the bottom right to surface sharing options. Make sure the listing is complete, title, price, photos, because the QR encodes that specific page. After tapping share, choose QR code to generate it. This creates a scannable link tied to this exact listing. You'll see the QR preview immediately, so don't close the app yet. Once you've tapped QR code, create it and inspect the preview carefully. The app generates a unique scannable image that points directly to your listing. If you plan to print, save high resolution to your camera roll. Once saved, you can crop or add overlay text in an editor. Make sure the quiet contrast and clear margins are preserved so scanners read it reliably. If sharing digitally, copy or export the PNG and paste it into messages or social posts without altering the QR itself. Now share the QR, send the image to buyers, add it to flyers, or post in stories. You must test it. Scan with one Android and one iPhone to confirm it opens the listing correctly. If scanning fails, make sure the QR isn't blurred, reduce glare, increase contrast, and re-export at larger size. If you edit the listing URL or privacy settings, regenerate the QR so it remains accurate. One key troubleshooting tip: if multiple scans fail, recreate the listing and produce a fresh QR.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.